Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin, and I've started this video today in this area called Nagoa. As you can see here, just during the start of the video, on the left and right, you could see some nice green fields, and it's green because, as you can see, the roads are damp and it was raining very heavily since last night. So luckily it stopped now, and that's the reason why I got the opportunity to shoot this video. But yeah, thankfully we really needed the rains, because for a few days at a stretch there was no rainfall at all, and all the fields had rice growing in it. And as you know, if you have farm or if you know people who farm, for the paddy fields you do need a lot of rainfall. And yes, thank God it has started raining again, and the weather right now is just perfect. It is pleasant, it is cool. And that reminds me, this morning one of you guys who are our regular viewers commented whether you should visit Goa in the monsoons or not. And to be honest, it totally depends upon your choice, because if you are someone who wants to spend the day at the beach, you will not be able to do that. You will not be able to go out in the sea, especially when it is raining heavily, because the sea can be very rough. Yes, like I said, few days back it didn't rain, so it was the conditions were very similar to what you can expect during the season time. But when it's raining, the ocean is very rough. But the other thing is, during the rains, Goa is like this. As you can see, there's greenery almost everywhere we are going, and the weather is just amazing. It's pleasant, especially because we have like 2-3 months of summer. And as you know, in India and in Goa as well, look at this chapel, very nice, beautiful. And look at this house. So I really like that there are some creepers on the right side, and here on the left some tree has fallen down. So yeah, as I was saying, because of the harsh summers and everything, once the monsoon season approaches us, we really like it, especially the weather. And right now it's around 26 or 20, or maybe max 27, 28 degrees. I don't think it is in the 30s. Very nice, very pleasant to ride the bike. And wow, Castor, what is that? Some restaurant. What a superb area that we've reached. So we are heading towards Salegaon, and look at this greenery on both the sides. There in the distance I can see a farmer working in the fields. Very nice, perfect. And this is what you can expect in this area, because this area doesn't receive a lot of tourists, and that's the reason why it's quiet here, peaceful. Plus this is the off season as well. Very nice. And it's always like this every time I've passed by. I hope we get to see some more farmers as well working in the fields. I really like that. Oh, look at this, look at the goats here in the field. Superb. Usually we always get to see dogs on our way, but yeah, today we saw some goats as well. So that's really nice. And yeah, there in the distance some people are working on their fields. I think early morning, if we get here, then we will get to see a lot of that. Let this tempo pass by. Uncle not doing the right thing in this area, but I don't know if he's had an emergency or what. Some people do have a medical condition, and yeah, they cannot really control nature's call. But if you are planning to do that, guys, please be mindful. If it's something urgent, please at least step out away from the road. Okay, let's take this left. This left goes towards Mapsa, and look at this. This looks a bit like the Para Coconut Tree Road. And those who watched our previous videos must have noticed that we went there accidentally because of taking another route. But then if you think in Goa, there's just Para Coconut Tree Road that looks like that, no, you're mistaken. There are other roads as well. Yes, there are smaller versions of the road, but there are many other roads. And I'm sorry, it is a bit windy because we've hit an open area where there are fields on both the sides. I apologize if you cannot hear me clearly. That's because you know, I forgot to charge my mic, and one of you did mention that as well. You know, you mentioned that I should give a voiceover. Look at this. When people ride like this, you cannot overtake them as well. But anyways, we are not in a hurry. Let me just let all the big cars and everything pass by that's behind me, and then I'll overtake them. Now it's safe to overtake. The road here very nice, very smooth. Luckily there are no potholes. And talking about potholes, guys, if you hit a pothole and if you are not sure of the depth, please don't take your bike over it or walk over it, because you really don't know how deep that space will be, that pothole will be, I mean. Talegaon ends here. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is, let's just keep riding straight. This will take us towards Mapsa, but I hope we get a right turn somewhere ahead, because I want to show you more of the beautiful scenery that you can see here. In the previous video we had visited Sangolda, and again, very good area, very nice stretch, very green. So yeah, if you are loving these videos, please leave a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comments what you think about my speed, guys. Right now I'm exactly at 39 kilometers an hour. In the video it might look like that I'm going fast, but I'm not, and it's because I'm using a wide angle lens. That's the reason why. Okay, let's take this right turn. So I've put my indicator on, and at the same time I'm sticking my hand out. Don't want to take any risk whatsoever. I like to do that because, you know, during the daytime sometimes people cannot really see the indicator. That's why I stick my hand out as well. Wow, look at this on the right here. Wow. So yeah, if you love greenery, if you love the monsoons, you should visit Goa, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful place during the monsoons, especially the countryside. And there's like a, I don't know what this is, a gutter or what, but it's overflowing because of the water. But very nice scenery, and there in the distance there you can see a hill. I don't know if we can go on top of that hill by any chance, but as you know, at times I end up going to places where I'm not really supposed to. So let's see, if we find a road to go there, I would really be interested to go there, because you know what a view you will get from there of these fields. Look at these birds here, herons, I think they're called white herons. Very nice winding roads. And that reminds me of another point. If you are here, please do not drink and drive or ride, because lately there have been many cases of drinking and driving and riding, and that have led to some very bad accidents. So I always mention that in my videos, and I will continue to do so, guys, because it's very important for the safety of all the people. Okay, let's see where this right will take us. And when I'm making these videos, guys, I have no script ready for this, and I just know the area that I'm going to, but within the area where I'll be heading, even I myself don't know. So please don't be surprised. Wow, yes, this is what I wanted to show you. Look, look, on my right here people are working in the fields here. Look at this. I hope we captured that. People are planting rice. Yeah, as you can see, the fields are very waterlogged or clogged with water, and that really is the right. Where are we going now? Okay, so those really are the correct conditions to plant that. And are we going on the hill? I have no idea. What is this here? Okay, look at this ground here. The massive football ground here, very nice private property, but yeah, very good football field. I would love to play here, and I just played football yesterday, guys. That's the reason why the whole week my body hurts, but it's a good feeling. If you're not active in any sports, please do that. It's very beneficial, guys. Go to the gym. Okay, let me put my hand, because there was one uncle there, he was doing something that he was not supposed to. And I hope I've censored that with my hand. Anyway, guys, I know there are some people who have a medical condition and it's urgent doggy man here, but please do that in places where people don't pass by. Yeah, he was obviously not expecting a YouTuber from Kalangut to pass by with his camera. Doggy man here, wow, with a brown patch. But I hope I've censored that, and I'm sure he was embarrassed because I was keeping my covering the lens with my hand, but maybe he did understand that. Okay, anyway, let's move forward. Beautiful area. I'm guessing, wow, is that the road that will take us to the hill? We will not know until we go, so let's just go. DK Constructions, real estate developer. Okay, wow, what a place. Who would expect buildings in these areas? There are some small buildings here. You can see some sugarcane growing here. And seriously, guys, when I'm around such places, my only fear is fog. Okay, let's go here this way. Look at these villas. What a nice color, brown and white. So I've seen some very nice villas lately. Wow, it is, you will not believe, guys, the temperature here has dropped by nearly 3 or 4 degrees. I feel like it's winter over here. Literally, I'm not exaggerating, but it feels way cooler than what I was feeling that side. And obviously, guys, it's because of the trees and the dense plants and trees that are there over here. Doggy man, lot of doggy man. And are we going to disturb you all? No. Or we did disturb them, sorry guys, but I'm going to take a U-turn. We've hit a dead end, and look at this. Where have we come? We don't know anyway, but there are a lot of dolls here, and I could see some very dark clouds. But yeah, on my right here I can get a little bit of a view of the fields. Sorry doggies, full family maybe. Oh, she wanted to chase me, but yeah, she gave up the chase. Okay, so like I said here, it feels way cooler over here, and because of trees. And once again, let me highlight the importance of trees. It's really very important to make sure that we have trees around us, because you know it gets very bad during the summers. And trust me guys, once again I'm not exaggerating, it's way cooler over here. Okay, let's go straight here and see what's there over here. So these right turns will take us down. Lot of construction going on here. Sad to see some trees were taken down, but I think some people are building houses there. If you are building something, guys, please make sure that you still have the trees and everything around you. I don't know what area I'm in, but lots of construction is going on over here. Breaks my heart to see that in such areas, but that it is what it is, guys. Look at this beautiful villa, very nice Portuguese villa. Where are we going? No idea. If you know that, please let me know in the comments. But whatever this place is, guys, it is quite cool over here. Wow, and it's going to rain heavily, like crazy heavy. Look at this. So we've gone down, going downhill now. I'm assuming this is still some place in Saligaon, if I am not mistaken. But yeah, as you can see, it's become really. Turn right to find. Go this way. This side looks good. Okay, there's a highway there. Okay, let's not take the highway. Let's go this way. Look at this, guys. It's going to be. It will. Oh shit! I got scared for a moment. That was a leaf that was coming down. I thought a big insect was coming towards me. Yeah, and like I was saying, look at these clouds here. It's going to be pouring soon. Cats and dogs. But I'll try to cover as much as I can. Please let me know, guys, where I am. Am I in Sangolta? No, I'm in Giri. Okay, I think I know. Yeah, I think I know this road. Yeah, last time we had taken a left from here. This time, let's just take a right from here. I hope you can hear me. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to charge my mic, and like I said, in my. Okay, let's just go straight from here. Last time we didn't go straight. As I mentioned, somebody, I don't remember if I mentioned, but yeah, one of you mentioned I should do voiceover. I really do not think I can do good voiceovers. Okay, I think it's raining. Yes, it's raining. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Until the next one, take care. Stay safe and stay positive. Yeah, it is raining.